Hi there.
Hello.
I'm Bethany.
I'm Avery.
Why don't you tell the people about your new collection that you have going on?
New collection. My record collection?
No, not your record collection.
Oh,
What else do you got? Something that you and your brother, when we go to the store, you run to the aisle.
No such thing. Nope, we've been getting Hot Wheels since they're on the cheaper end of things.
How many have you gotten so far?
Like 40.
40? How many has your brother gotten?
1,000 probably.
Toys are so expensive now. Oh my goodness. One of the things that hasn't changed much in price is the Hot Wheels cars. What we're doing today is 100% Avery's fault. Because I'm walking around Dollar Tree and I'm like, what can I diamond paint? And this is the most bizarre item I could have picked, maybe.
You got this.
Let's give it a shot. See what happens, okay? Agreed? You guys coming with us? Come on, let's see what we can do. Okay, we are done with our semi-truck. I think it turned out amazing. We had a lot of fun playing with it in the middle of the road. Avery's gonna put this into his special collection. How much is this worth?
Enough.
When you guys go out to the store, look for unusual things that you can diamond paint. Avery, what do you think we should do next?
I don't know. We'll have to find out.
Come back next time. You never know what we're gonna diamond paint.
Well, it's sticker time.
Sticker time!
Today we got a record player. Hit me in the face with that.
Did I hurt you?
No, you caught me in the hat though.
Sorry.
Right there.
Well, our board is definitely filling up. Well, guys, that's it for today. I got to feel like a kid again playing with a little car truck, semi. So I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as we did. Just look for things around the house or in the dollar section that you can diamond paint and have fun with it. That's it. Just have fun with it. Love you guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.